Here is a Hyundai Sonata. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and pop the trunk. The bulb is right over there. The way to access it is we have to get this flap open. So twist that lock. Once it's in the vertical position, the flap is loose. Get it out, and then you can just get the entire flap out completely. Now that's the bulb holder right over there. First you need to get these wires out of there. You need to get it out from behind the other wires, so the wires are loose and they are not holding the bulb from coming out. Now all you have to do is just grab the bulb holder and twist to the left. Now it's kind of inaccessible. You can still do it, but you just need to be a little bit patient because that bulb holder is probably stuck in there. You just have to do twist it left a little bit. See, now it's loose, just a little bit. And once it's loose, just grab the wires and then use that to pull the bulb holder out. It's not ideal. You should ideally just grab the bulb holder itself. If you're not able to, just sort of grab the wires and then use that to wiggle the bulb holder out. Be patient with this. This is the hardest part about this process. Once it's out, just push down on the bulb and twist to the left to get it out. There you have it. The bulb size is right there on it. 1156A. A is for the amber color. Get the new bulb, align it, push it down, twist it right, and let it go to lock it in place. Now when you're putting the bulb holder back in, you see that big tab over there? Just keep an eye out on it and see how I align it with the light when I put it back in. So that way the bulb holder just sort of goes right into the light. If you don't do it the way I'm showing, you'll probably spend a few seconds twisting and turning it, getting the bulb holder to align, and then drop in. You need to align and drop in, and only then will you be able to twist your right like this to lock the bulb holder in place. That's it. That's the lock position, and that's about it. Once you're done, don't forget to put those wires back in their place. Tuck them behind the other wires. That's it. Now let's just go ahead and put the flap back in. Put the rear part, like the inside part, in first. Once all the wings of that flap are in, it's in position now. Just twist that lock, and that's pretty much it. Now it's secured in place. See how easy the process was? Hope you found it useful.